everyone. I'm Dr. Aeman from the AccuFix Cosmetics team. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips to make your cleansing experience as gentle as possible. Before you watch this video, if you haven't already watched our video on cleansers, do make sure to watch it. Cleansing, make sure that you use cooler water, as hot water allows surfactants to penetrate deeper into the skin and result in more damage. However, make sure that the water isn't too cold, as extremes of temperature are not good for the skin either. 30 to 60 seconds of contact is enough for a cleanser to do its job properly. If you've been wearing makeup or sunscreen, then you can try double cleansing by using an oil-based cleanser as the first step. This will help get everything off as gently as possible. A lot of people, especially those with oily and acne-prone skin, tend to wash their face multiple times a day, as if overwashing will somehow whisk their acne away. But this will only irritate your skin further and make the problem worse. Wash your face only 1 to 2 times per day. No more, no less. If you're choosing to wash only once a day, then preferably wash it before going to bed at night. Always rinse off micellar water and cleansing wipes, even if they tell you not to. Big surprise guys, but these also contain surfactants that will damage the skin if they stay on it for too long. Lastly and most importantly, do not skip moisturizer. It's very important to add emollients and humectants back to the skin after you've cleansed. No matter what your skin type is, there is a moisturizer out there for you. Find it and use it. Your skin will definitely thank you for it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I'll see you again in the next video inshallah. Thank you for watching. Bye.